Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The euro and the yen rose, reversing some recent losses against the US dollar, while the Swiss franc hit a one-month high against the euro after Swiss inflation soared to its highest in 14 years. Toshiba Corp, the troubled Japanese conglomerate exploring strategic options, said it has received 8 initial proposals to take it private, as well as 2 proposals for capital alliances that would see it remain listed. OPEC and its allies agreed to increase oil production more than expected, opening the door for Saudi Arabia to ramp up its own output if wartime sanctions force Russia to pump less. The Aussie-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. Nike shares rose 2.4% in the last session. According to the Ultimate Oscillator, we are in an overbought market. The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the pound rise 0.8% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US non-farm payrolls at 12:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.